Hello guys, so today is Sunday and it's the 25th. Next week, tomorrow, which is tomorrow, next week, which is tomorrow. So it's a new week for traders. So I want to take this challenge with poor firms. One of the best way to get funded is taking challenges with poor firms. So I want to try out and I'm going to document my journey. If I will be able to pass the poor firm. Let me see how capable I am because most of us are setting out. We always have in mind that we can already trade, but we just need to be funded. If we are funded, we can trade. So I'm going to be taking a challenge with a poor firm, specifically equity age. So I'm going to get a 2.5K challenge, and yeah, I'll start from next week. I will actually purchase it today and I'll probably start on Tuesday. Mondays are not really good days for me to trade. So I'll be starting on Tuesday. I'm going to be documenting my journey. I'll see if I can pass the challenge. If I can pass, I'll be really happy. So I'll see if I can pass the challenge, and if I pass, wow, I'll be really happy. So yeah, I just want to document my journey here. So give me like a motivation, not to go against my plan, not to go against my strategy. So I'm just going to, since I'll be trading with a bigger capital, I will really confirm if my strategy is really working. Because when you're trading with a demo account, it's not really the same feeling as you're trading with a real account. So I'm going to be taking a challenge with Equity Age. I've heard their reviews. I've gone through their reviews. I've really dig into to see, because it's a new firm. From what I'm seeing, it's a new firm, and this new firm, to trust them is not really easy. So I've seen that their platform is really legit, and I've seen a couple of payouts reviews. So I'm going to be taking a challenge. Equity Age is really cheap for us beginner traders. People who like to deposit $10, especially people who like to deposit $10, $11 in exness. I will advise that you take that $10 or $11 and come and get a 2.5K challenge with Equity Age. You'll see the amount I'm going to pay on Equity Age. You will be shocked. So I will actually advise to take your $10 or $11 to come and purchase an account with Equity Age. They have not paid, Equity Age has not paid me to do some kind of adverts. I'm just saying, like, most of us, we usually complain that if we get funded, we'll skyrocket the market. So I'm just saying, if you're able to get a challenge with Equity Age or with any poor firm, I think you can really take your time and trade according to your strategy or according to your plan, according to your. You don't have to trade as if you are gambling. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this challenge. I'm going to take you to my screen and we'll go through the purchase together. So here I am in the Equity Age platform. So it looks like currently they're giving a 40% off one step, and for two steps they're giving a 30% off. So I don't know which one should I go with. From what people always say, looks like a two-step is always good, especially for beginners. I don't know, but this 40% is wow. Let me see. Okay, I'll go for phase two. I think I'll go for two steps. I think it'll be easier for me. So I'm just going to copy this code. I'm just going to copy this code. So once I copy, I'm just going to extract from here and sign into my account. Okay. So yeah. Okay, once I'm in my account, I'll just go to challenges and see the different offers they have. So for 2K, 2.5K challenge, this is for 2.5K challenge, the leverage is 1:2. The maximum daily loss is 4%. The maximum loss trading is 6%. So this is the maximum loss the maximum drawdown you can get. So this is the maximum drawdown if you are trading this account. Once you reach this max of 6% of this 2.5K account, you automatically fail the challenge. So aside from that, we have also a minimum trading days, 2 days. So for you to, even if you pass the challenge in 1 day, the minimum trading day is 2 days. Profit target is 10%. So we have to make 10% of that 2.5K. Profit share 80%. So the profit you make, they'll give you 80% of the profit. And the starting balance is obviously $2,500. Okay, so this is just for the 2.5K account challenge. Here for 5K. Oh, for this one, you can buy it for $15. You see, it's really cheap compared to other platforms. Here we have a 5K challenge. This is this is for step one, like one step challenge. I've never gone to 2 steps. So this is still the one step challenge. So for 5K challenge, we have the leverage is 1:2. The maximum daily loss is 4%, just like for the 2.5K. So the difference here is just like here you have more money to trade with, so here you have less money to trade with. And here your risk is higher than here. Oh yeah. So it's still all the same. This is for one step challenge. Let's go to 2 step challenge, the one we are interested in. So for 2 step, 2.5K challenge, we have 1:2 leverage. Maximum daily loss is 5%. So you see that is 1% higher than the one step challenge. Maximum loss is 10%. Profit target is 8%. For profit target for phase one, and for phase two, profit target is 5%. So in total, 13%. Here for profit share is 80%. Starting balance obviously 2,500 and still the same price. So let's go with which one should we go with? Yeah, we said we are going with phase two phase challenge. So let's go with this. Okay, so let's apply the coupon we copied earlier. Let's apply this coupon and see how much they will deduct. Okay, invalid coupon close. I think we copied before phase one. Let's go and copy for phase two. Let's go back and copy for phase two. Okay, let's copy for phase two. I think last time we copied by phase one. Let's copy this phase two. Um, apply. Okay, you see we are going to be paying $10.5. So a deduction of $4.5. Let me see. I think I'll change my mind. Probably change my mind. I'll go with phase one. I'll go with phase one. Is the one step. Let me go with one step. Go and copy this code. So they are going to deduct 40% from the money I'm supposed to pay. So let's apply the coupon and apply. Okay, you see they've deducted $6. So now we're going to pay the $9 only. I think I'll go with this. I think I'll surely go with this. So now I'm just going to enter my details and purchase it. Yeah, guys, as you can see, this is the account here. This is the account I just purchased. The purchasing process was quite smooth. So this is my equity account. You can see 2.5k challenge. My account details are here, and yeah, guys. So see you on Tuesday. If you want to purchase an account on Equity Edge, just use the link in the description and use my coupon code to get a discount. Yeah, guys, see you in the next one. If you are new to the channel, this is your first time seeing my ugly face, just smash the subscribe button and hit the like button so this video can reach as many people as possible, so they won't be blowing that $10 in exness. Okay, let's stop doing that. Let's stop doing that. That is account abuse. Let's stop doing that. Let's get funded and see you in the next one. See you. Have a nice day. Have a beautiful evening. See you.